Hey, this is Don from Life's Journeys, and I just boarded the Ruby Princess, and I'm going to give you a bit of a room tour. I'll show you where I am. So we're in room D308. It is a mini suite on the Dolphin deck. I booked late and got a guarantee. So I booked a mini suite guarantee, and they ended up putting me into an accessible mini suite. So you can see, I'll step back a little bit, it's much wider than you would see in a normal one. Lots of room to get around the bed. It looks like plenty of space. Just going to go into, come around, and we'll start in the bathroom. You can see it has all the bars and everything that one would need, seating areas, etc. Wrap around shower curtain and floor drains. There's toilet area, lots of towels, and everything set up around the sink area. Containers of both hand soap and lotion. And we've got in the shower shampoo and conditioner all in one, and shower gel. A couple of glasses. Let's head back into the bedroom area. We're set up as a queen size bed. Each one has a lamp on the side. Looking, at least on this side, there are no bedside power ports, which is unfortunate. I guess this is an older ship. The 4 drawers, some inside storage there. And if I pointed out the entry mirror and little shelf for things you need going in and out of the door. So let's open these closets. We've got our life vests, smaller, older safe. You're not going to fit a laptop or frankly even an iPad or other notebook in there, or portable. But good enough for passports, cash, etc. So there's a big double closet here. Put my jacket in already. A couple of robes, feel all right. Lots of hangers, which is great. Next one up top, I'm not sure. I think it's things for the bed if you need accessibility. Tons more hangers, lots of ground space. So it's going to be really lots of room to store everything. And then this last part of closet has lots of shelving. So there's the bedroom television, more area, give a view there of the bed, bedside tables on the other side. What do we have underneath? We've got a little mini fridge. Empty. Some more shelving and cubby areas. We get over to here, and we finally got a couple of electrical outlets. Looks like they're used for the hair dryer, and then some European style outlets. Looks like we may be limited to 2 outlets total. Now here's seating area. Give a better view of that. It's a nice little love seat, a chair, light off to the side, which is great. Trying to see what else we've got that I should make note of. There's a wastebasket. It's another little cupboard as part of the desk. A couple more cubbies. This is great. There's a lot of little cubby holes around. So you get this work desk with plenty of stuff. So let's finish this up, we'll take a look outside. And what do we have? What's this? It's a sliding door. And you'll see down here as this comes down, slide open, there's a ramp that went down, so if you need it for accessibility purposes to roll in and out. And so we've got a table, 2 chairs, and 2 ottomans, which is great. And then the view. Take that in. We're getting on in Galveston, so that'll explain things like oil terminals and that sort of thing. So anyway, there's our view of this. And as I figure out how to get the door to close again, I'll deal with that. There it goes. It just kicks up slightly, so that was easy. So anyway, that is D308 of the Ruby Princess. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Hope you got a little bit of value out of this if you're interested in the mini suite, and in particular an accessible mini suite. So thanks very much for watching. If you liked it, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, I invite you to subscribe. Thanks for watching Life's Journeys, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.